We just walked out of the room just now.
Yeah?
Okay.
Ready? Hello friends, I'm Paul Shinn. I am here in Santa Maria, California. This is the Santa Maria Inn, a historic hotel built in 1917, and I'm sitting in here now at the MAFCA table because we just got out of a MAFCA meeting. Now we're going to the MAFCA dinner. And I'm starving.
And that was past President James President walking in front of the camera.
The Santa Maria Inn was built in 1917 by Frank McCoy. He was a master innkeeper, and he also did the interior design and the landscaping. He wanted it to have an English garden appearance. This is it when he first built it. There wasn't really much town around or anything. It was a lot of country, but he took a lot of good care, made it very welcoming to anybody who would stay. He wanted nothing but comfort and luxury, and really did an awesome job. Various fireplaces everywhere. The atmosphere is so comfortable. Tons of pictures of old employees. They stayed with him for their entire career. He also had movie stars, a lot of them that stayed here.
It's good enough. My car's in the driver's so.
Not eating.
Oh, there's the flame.
Well, there's that flame. Woo-wee!
Wow.
Neat.
Oh, wow. How cool is this?
Unbelievable, guys.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay.
Wow, that is trippy.
Oh, man.
Wow.
What a picture.
Yeah, that is bright.
There's the sound.
Yeah,
Yeah.
finally.
I'm so glad we're not at a castle.
Me too.
Oh, I would do, yeah.
Yeah, we're sounding it.
Yeah. Right overhead.
Whoa, that is
Oh,
weird.
that is amazing.
Whoa. What a trip. What a trip.
It's cooler than driving a Model 8. It is.
Oh. That is so cool.
Wow.
It just separated.
Yeah, you'll hear a sonic boom when it comes back. It'll be a big boom.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow. So it's there. It's
There
a
it is.
reusable one.
Yep.
Wow. What a trip.
And when Pierce said you don't hear the boom until after it's landed.
Wow. We'll soon find out. That is cool. Wow. Woo!
That is.
Oh, holy mackerels.
That's the song.
I didn't
That's the
expect
sonic boom
that.
way up here.
My little selfie stick.
One time though, we had a it was from the Northwest, somewhere, Oregon or somewhere. Hello, did you shop? Did you go?
Yeah, we just went to Jason Penn.
Oh, okay.
Look at how talented this person is. It's all pencil.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what you're doing.
Everything there, see what's over there?
Lots of stars have stayed here. Ooh, here's one. Yeah, look at that. Bob Hope stayed there. Woohoo! Now entering the health spa. Thank you, my fine man.
I feel healthier already.
Wow. Well, it's kind of small, but it's got just the basics of what you need. Not too shabby. Yeah. Coming from inside, look at outside.
It's so bright out here.
I know, it's so nice. Got all this outdoor-like seating areas. That's nice.
Since 1917, it's a historic hotel. Some people say this place is even haunted. If you want to stay up till midnight, there's actually a... They're gonna call me out on it.
Hey, there's a room right there. Hope you enjoyed the tour so far. This place is absolutely amazing. But what's even more amazing is tomorrow. Tomorrow they have the Judging Standards Committee. They're going to put on the auto paint and finish seminar, and it's going to be so cool. They asked me to help video it, and so I'm going to share all their information with you very, very soon. So have a great night. I hope you're doing well. God bless. Mwah.